What is going on YouTube? We just had a fucking little feed, you know, a little KFs, chicken KFs. And now we're getting to the fucking car meet, eh? On the herbs. Huh? What? Facts. So yeah, fellas, we're on our way to a fucking another bike meet. You know me, I got the fucking camera in the back as always. We're gonna take some absolute epic photos of like hopefully a couple bikes, couple cars. Yeah, I'm heading down with the good old boys, or just one of them. I didn't want to come today. It's got a 21st on tonight, little fucking bitch. But yeah, you know, fucking still on the CBR, the same old bike. It's going alright. It's going alright. Making progress, just finished work, making progress buying that R7. As soon as I get the money for it, I'm going straight to the fucking dealership and buying it. So, brand new, I'm buying it. 14 grand, that's not bad. Killer, on the abs, bro. Oh, fuck. Fucking killer. I don't even know where we're going, man. I'm just following this guy. But anyway, fellas, I'll catch up when we're fucking a little bit closer. As you know, us fellas, we are actually approaching the car meet. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna take a little bit of a fucking turn, a little cruise, check your engine rev, whop up, yep, killer, oh my god. R.I.P. boys, R.I.P. to the fallen soldiers. So yeah, how you guys going, man? Up November, yeah, it's fucking killer, eh? It's on the herbs, bro. There better be some fucking people out. It is kind of early, but I am hoping to be there, you know, the rest of the day. The rest of the motherfucking day. Yeah, go. Good man. How am I gonna go there? Oh, fellas are pulling up, you know. Fuck, I ain't sitting in this traffic. Fuck it, fellas, we're gonna go around so we can fucking find. Why the fuck not? Oh, the boys on the bikes, cheeky GDR. Killer. I don't think I'm allowed to do this, but fuck it. That is killer. Let's go cruise. Fuck it, it's hot in these fucking helmets. Fuck, that's killer. That is killer. Fuck all these Lambos at, eh? Oh, this is where the real toys are. Those aren't Ebbs. Fucking hell, fellas, there's a couple people out today. That is for sure. Oh. Oh, fuck that. We're gonna go through. Sorry, fellas. Get out of his way.
Where the fuck are we going?
Back over there. Killer.
10 minutes of fucking roaming around.
Well, I gotta try the video, you know, what's actually here. Let's go have a look at the bikes. That's killer. Hey? Damn, I want one of these.
Get one.
I know, man. I'm only on my L's though.
Fuck it.
I know, I don't care though, that's the thing. Oh, the double. Oh.
So when you gonna live fucking...
My dad's got the R1. An older version. I've ridden that a couple of times. That's insane.
Was it first gen or second gen for the R1?
I think it's second. Second, I'm pretty sure.
Keep up with them.
Back in my sports tour. Alright, let's dip.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?